Hello, I'm Graham and I hope everyone's having a great day. Welcome to today's video. Now you can probably see on screen now the FZ 1000 User's Guide. Now this book has been in the writing for just over 2 years. It should have been in publication last year, but due to personal circumstances I just couldn't get the time to finish off writing it. Now it's a task I set myself to do and I wanted to get it completed, so I finalised it this year and it went on publication on the Amazon sites Monday of this week. Now there's two versions, there's a colour version and there's the black and white version. Now the colour version you'll see is listed as the user's guide, and the black and white one is listed as the user's manual, and you'll be able to see the price difference between the two copies. Looking at the two books, the ones in the UK, the colour version is going to be £31 and that has given me £1 royalty. The black and white will be £15 and that's given me £3 royalty. The colour version is a little bit disappointing. It's not glossy paper, so we're not getting continuous tone photographs, not to the degree you get in a semi-gloss paper. They're almost as though they were produced for graphics rather than photographs. So again, that was a little bit disappointment. For the cost of that book, it should have been a semi-gloss paper, but that option isn't available on the Amazon site, and I guess the price would be even more extortionate if you were to go for the colour version. Now with both of these books you do get the colour PDF. If you send me your Amazon order number via email, I will send you the full colour PDF, so you've got access to the PDF file. So my preferred option would be that you would buy the black and white version and then use the colour PDF if you wanted to see the differences in colour pictures that you might need reference to. But otherwise the black and white version is just as good as the colour one. The text is there, which is the main thing about the setup for the camera, the features and benefits of some of the operations. So black and white would be my preferred option. Now there is another option to get the full coloured PDF, and that is to go to the book page on my photographic blog. I'll put a link to that in the video description below. Now on that page you'll see the sales page for the FZ 300-330 book as well as the FZ 1000. If you click into that and purchase it, you'll be taken through to the PayPal page. If you don't have a PayPal account, check out as a guest, and that allows you to use your credit card and PayPal process that and send the file to me so I can generate your order. Now the system has changed slightly in the way that you get the digital download. When I only had the 300 book on sale, I could send you automatically the link to that page along with the password to retrieve it. But because I've got two books now, I have to generate 2 pages and 2 passwords. So once you've sent the order in through the PayPal system, I return you the link to the relevant page along with the relevant password so you can actually download that file. Normally I'll do that as soon as I get the order through if it's daylight hours and I've got access to the PC or my phone. If it's overnight, then it'll obviously be the next morning. So within 12 hours, you should be getting the digital download back to your email once you provide me with your email address through your PayPal account. Now, the other good news is that I am going to start a tutorial series for the FZ 1000. A lot of you have asked for it. It was something I had been thinking about, but I was going to put the Canon EOS M50 ahead of it, but there's been so many requests for the FZ 1000 that I'm going to piggyback that and do the FZ 1000 first. Also in the light that the FZ 1000 Mark II comes out at the end of this month if it's not delayed, and I've got my pre-order in for that, so I'll be able to compare and contrast the FZ 1000 against the Mark II to see what the differences are in terms of image quality. Okay, we know we're going to get a touch screen and we're going to get better 4K options, but in terms of image quality there's probably not going to be a lot between the FZ 1000 Mark I and Mark II, but we'll see that when we get the production version hopefully in 2 weeks time. Now other good news is I am going to give away the colour proof of this version to anyone that's subscribed onto my photographic blog. And again, in the video description below will be a link to the photographic blog. If you're not a subscriber to the 3 weekly newsletter, then if you fill out the application form on the home page, you'll join the 3 weekly newsletter group. Now it's more than a newsletter, it's a technical publication in many respects, and it's stuff that I don't normally publish on the blog. Photographic, electronic, technical, whatever takes my fancy that month, I will publish in my newsletter. Now, in this week's newsletter, which will go out on Saturday, will be a little paragraph there that says, I would like to receive the F1000 Users Guide. And if you just click the link that's in that, that will send your email address to me. It will go into a drawer. If your name's drawn out, then I will send this book anywhere in the world, Australia, New Zealand, wherever it is. I will pay the postage to get this book out. But the prerequisite is, of course, that you have joined my newsletter group. That newsletter group is now over 2,700, so it's growing all the time. And at that point, I'd like to say thanks to anyone that subscribed to this channel. The subscriber count is almost up to 50,000 now. It's well ahead of some of the even more popular groups, but I'm really pleased the way the channel's grown, and it's through your loyalty and your feedback on the channel that I've been able to grow it to that number. And also the fact that only 17% of the views are from subscribers is quite amazing. So I'm seeing a lot of ad hoc viewers, and if you aren't one of those viewers at the moment, please do click that subscribe button. Help me grow the channel even more. It does help. So if you can share the video, like the video, that really does help with the YouTube programs to promote some of my videos. The more it's promoted, the more then I can get into producing it and give you better quality videos and more subjects to cover. So please do click the subscribe button and the bell notification icon, of course, to get notification when I've uploaded the next video. So look forward to the FZ 1000 videos. Hope you subscribe to the channel and hope you win the prize draw. So until my next video, thanks again for watching. Please do take care, and I hope to see you all in the next one. Goodbye for now.